Namaste, this is Pooja Sharma, your friend, guru, and guide. And this video today I am making on something very special. So, 4 pointers as to who should watch this video till the end. Number one, you want to look minimum 5 to 10 years younger than your real biological age. Number two, you want to stay healthy, fit, with lot of stamina. Number three, you want to manage your weight or lose your weight, do weight management. And number four, if you want to do all these three things that I mentioned in a holistic way, in a spiritual healing way. Yes. So if any one of these out of 4 pointers is a yes for you, please watch my video till the end. Not only that, like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it so that you continue receiving these videos, and most important, share it with everybody that you genuinely love from heart so that they can also enjoy these benefits. And today's video, I'm going to talk about white tea. Yes, we all have heard about milk tea, of course, is the tea that we have in India, जो दूध में पत्ती में दूध डाल के चाय पीते हैं normally. So we all know what is white tea. We all know what is black tea. You don't put milk in it. And we all know and have been having green tea also, and organic tea. How about white tea? Not many of us know about white tea, what it is, how it is made, and what are the benefits. So, white tea, also known as silver needle tea, yes, because all these teas, black tea, green tea, white tea, apparently come from the same plant, same tea plant, but how it is treated, okay, how the chemistry changes or happens during the tea leaf manufacturing process that changes the deal. So the first younger plants that or the leaves that are pulled from the tree, they are your white tea, and that is the silver needle. It's called silver needle tea because they are in the form of a needle. They are needle like. It's very easy to make. You have to brew it for 5 to 10 minutes. If you want, you can have it just like that, or if you want, you can add honey to it. Sugar is always an option, but honey is a healthier option. Now, how does it benefit us? Yes, number one, like I said, it helps you look younger, minimum 5 to 10 years than your age, because it makes your skin glow. It is anti-aging. It has got anti-aging qualities, anti-wrinkle. It makes your skin look soft and supple. I'm having white tea for last few days, and you can compare my looks from previous few months. So that's why I thought of sharing this with you. And also it is very good for oral care, so it makes your teeth look more whiter. White tea has got antibacterial qualities, so no more cavities in your teeth. It reduces your blood pressure and your cholesterol levels, so no more heart diseases. People who have got high blood pressure, it's good if you have white tea. Once again, it controls diabetes, especially if your parents, grandparents have had diabetes. It runs in the family. All the more reason you want to control diabetes and have white tea. Other than that, it controls and kills cancer cells also. So yeah, no more cancer. You have white tea. Other than that, they say that it has no caffeine and it is the purest form of tea. The leaves are so tender. If I have to keep talking about the benefits, when I say it helps you do the weight management, so yes, it burns the fat. At the same time, it gives you more stamina. It makes you more active. It gives you more confidence levels. Basically, white tea has got the highest level of antioxidants. Yes, much more than the green tea offers you. So it's more healthy to have. And like I said, you can fight cancer, control diabetes, it burns fat, it takes care of your BP, it lowers the BP, it lowers down the cholesterol level. So all these benefits and much more. And that is why it is little expensive. Normally a 25 gram to 50 grams of white tea might cost you about 1,000 rupees, but then it depends with so much of value add that it is bringing in your life and so much that it has to offer, and offer on the table how much you're willing to invest. And also it is advisable if you have 1 to 3 cups of white tea in a day, and you have it for a long time. So yes, just like green tea, every other tea has different benefits to offer. This is a general video, like I said, share it with everybody so that now people also know about white tea. Abhi tak to green tea ka hi naam suna tha. And if you want a personal consultation, you want to know which tea you should have, how much, 3 cups, 4 cups, 1 cup, it also treats your insomnia and gives you good sleep. So if you want to check with us how much tea and which tea you should have, you can always check with me. Also, I have very limited quantity of white tea available right now to give. So if any one of you wants to place an order for the purest healing white tea, you can always get in touch with us. Otherwise, it is easily available in the market. Yes, like I said, it's little expensive as compared to green tea and other herbal teas because of the obviously various obvious health and beauty reasons. I'm sure you like this video, and this will really educate you about things that you did not know and bring in a lot of positivity and healing in your family's life. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you all, and I will continue coming with such videos. Time to go now. Ciao. Namaste.